You are scanning your truck or large SUV and you see code P3466 pointing to cylinder 9 deactivation. You might be thinking, cylinder 9? My engine only has 8 cylinders. Don't panic. This is a generic computer code language. It is referring to the control circuit for the cylinder deactivation system, often found on big V8 engines that shut down half their cylinders on the highway to save gas. This code usually targets the solenoid responsible for managing the intake valve on what the computer designates as the 9th spot in the firing order sequence, which effectively relates to one of your actual cylinders based on your specific engine configuration. When this system works, it is great for your wallet, but when it fails, it can feel like your engine is shaking apart. You will likely feel a nasty misfire, vibration, and see your fuel economy tank. The severity here is real, because if a cylinder is deactivated at the wrong time or not reactivating when you need power, you risk internal engine damage. Now here is the secret that many mechanics might charge you a fortune to figure out. These systems are entirely dependent on oil pressure. The solenoids use the engine oil to hydraulically activate and deactivate the valves. If your oil level is low, or if the oil is dirty and sludge has blocked the tiny screens on the solenoid, the system fails. Before you replace any parts, check your oil. Seriously, is it full? Is it clean? I have seen this code pop up simply because an engine was 2 quarts low on oil. If the oil is good, then you need to inspect the wiring harness going to the intake manifold valley cover, where these solenoids usually live. Rodents love to chew these wires because they get nice and warm. Look for bare wires, burn marks, or loose connectors. If the wiring looks pristine and your oil pressure is solid, then you might actually have a failed deactivation solenoid. But please do not just throw parts at it without checking the oil level and pressure first. It is the #1 cause for this specific headache.